sun.
That's nice.
Cabin crew, prepare for landing, thank you.
We are in Melbourne for a business conference. Actually been here for 2 days already. We've got 2 more days of conference. Yeah, with a business coach and a bunch of other video businesses. So it's pretty cool. Tom's behind the camera. That was one of my fans. Anyway, I'll show you what we're doing, and then we'll have a bit of a further chat later. So let's go. Is it open is the question. Is it possible to get the conference room opened? All right, so this is the room. We're doing, well, technically 3 days of filming, 2 days in here, did one on Monday. We're doing a 2-cam switch. We've got a PTZ camera and a fixed camera there. We've also got a feed of the TV, laptop feed coming in. All driven from here. We've got audio for all, and then also have the laptop's not here, but all the switcher comes into here. And so it's our business coach. We provide all of the evergreen content for all of his programs. So everything in here, the 3 days, well, 2 of the 3 days are being recorded so that can be put on as evergreen content, can be sold as up packages. People who are in his groups can view the content who weren't able to make it because they're overseas or interstate. So we can do all that from here. He gets the footage pretty much straight away as soon as we're done because we switch it all live and we give it to him on a hard drive and then he walks off with it. So yeah, that's what we do here. I'm actually physically attending the event. Tom behind the camera has been switching and doing BTS content and photos and that sort of thing. So we can do all of that in-house. We've got photos, we've got highlight video, we've got the raw recording switch and audio and everything as well. So yeah, it's yesterday went well, and hoping today does the same and tomorrow, and yeah, back home on Thursday. So that's this.
Oh, look at that. Swagger.
Swagger.
Hey, who's this
Swagger
guy?
like Jagger.
Who's this guy? Oh. I see what's going
That would have
on.
been awesome.
God. That is pretty warm, but I'm not getting it.
It's actually lovely, but it's
full of
actually
shit.
really nice.
You are just pulling our string.
No, apparently people knew. It was just like they would close the last and ask questions. No! Crazy. That's it. We're done. We're packed up. We're out.
You need your other bag.
Can see the light from the sky in the morning light. Light from the sky burns, and you see me come around.
It's hot in Adelaide. Oh well, that's the end. The flight was about an hour late, which is amazing. It's like 11 PM now. Got a 45-minute drive or so back to Tom's. A 15-minute drive to the warehouse, because I've got to do some shit before tomorrow. And then a 45-minute drive home. So that's a week. That's a wrap. I'll see you in the next one.
See me come around from the other